Hello everybody, it's Chestlock Trades again, and we're still on fundamentals of technical analysis. I want to sincerely appreciate everybody that has been on this channel, watching the videos continuously. I've seen the views, I've seen a comment as well, and this proves to me that the message is being passed in the simplest way. And with these few videos, you don't know how much you've gone until we start the technical analysis. You don't know how much you've gone within a short period of time. That's the power of simplicity. And if you're new to this channel, please go and watch the previous videos, especially if you are a beginner in forex trading. We have a foundation course that is free for you. It has a whole playlist to itself. And also, please, everything will be linked in the description below, everything you need. And today we are going to be talking about the charting platform, which is TradingView. The charting platform is your office, and this video is aimed to give you the prerequisites you need to carry out a wonderful technical analysis. How I tell people these things is you don't need everything in TradingView to execute your trades or to be a good trader. You don't need everything. You just need what is important. For example, if you are conversant with Microsoft Word as a student or as a working class, you know that it's not everything you know about Microsoft Word, but you know enough to write your assignment, do your presentation, and all of those things. And the tool helps you. So there are a lot of features in TradingView, but you don't need everything. Trust me, you don't need everything. And that is why Chestlock Trades is here to give you what you need. You don't need to dig deep and ask yourself too much question. That is the beauty of what we do. So without further ado, let's get into the chatting platform. And also please, the link to your TradingView account is in the description below. Just click on it, create an account. Is free. You can decide to upgrade later or along the line when you are proficient enough and you feel you need more from the platform, but all is there, and the free package is enough for you to start and be a successful trader. See you there. Once you've signed up for an account in TradingView, the icon of TradingView looks like this. So depending on whether you're using your phone, I recommend a laptop, but to be honest, you can use, if you understand how to use the tools, you can use your phone. Just that phone can be a little bit limiting, but when you learn it, I use my phone as well. So when you learn it, you can use phone to do your technical analysis when you understand the scope. If you have a laptop, better, you can still use the phone. So the icon looks like this. So once you click on your icon, TradingView will open. Once you're in your office, you see the whole template of what is possible using TradingView. So the first place that we're going to go to is where you select your pairs. That is this point. When you click on here, everything about currency trading, stock trading, funds, features, that is cryptocurrency, forex, indices, everything is here. So depending on the currency pair you want to trade, because when we start talking about trading proper, I will list all the major and minor currencies so that you know all of them. Because I remember that in the previous introductory part, I just mentioned the major currencies or the major currency pairs. So I will also list the major and minor. You can have a list of 20 to trade from. Then you can trade indices as well. You can trade cryptocurrency, because what we are teaching you cuts across all trading, anything trading. You can trade the stock market. All of these lectures or all of these exposures will still come through this trading platform. So currently I'm in AUD USD. So if sorry, in CAD AUD. So if I wanted to, I clicked on here, and if it was something else, I'll just come here and just search CAD AUD. Sorry, there's no space AUD. Then you click enter, or you select it. It brings you to the chart panel. Now the market is closed. uh, I'm making this video, this is Sunday. Tonight the market will open again, because it closes on Friday night or early in the morning. Then it will open early in the morning on Sunday as well. So that's how the market is. So the next thing you're going to be seeing is the time frames. I'm not going to dig deep into what the time frame means or what it's doing. I'm here to just show you how to operate the trading view. So this is 1 minute time frame. This is your 3 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame. So these are time frame. You come to know the importance of time frame with time. I'm not going to do it. It has time frame up until 1 month, so that is your time frame. Then over here you have you remember when I taught you about charts, whether it's bar charts. I told you that the common ones that are used is bar charts, candlestick, and line charts. So you see a lot of representations that you can use for your chart. You see a lot, but the most common ones is bar charts. You remember this? This is how it looks, bar charts. Your candlestick chart, normal charts. Then your line chart looks like this. So exactly what I showed you in the lectures in the previous video. So you can see hollow candles, you can columns. This one looks weird. I don't even know how to use this one, to be honest. So I'm just trying to let you know that there are a lot of things that CM Recon, see how it looks. There are explanations to this one. I know this one though, but it's not what we are going into. So, but like I told you, what we need is the candlestick. So then here, over this bar that you can see here, is your indicators, metrics, and strategy. Well, it's indicators you need. There are a lot of indicators. I'll be exposing you to indicators and how we use them in chess log trades. So this is where if you choose an indicator, it will just appear. For example, this is an indicator here. If you choose it, it would open up and display. So that's the thing. Then there is an alarm, very important for trading, an alarm. Then the next phase is this side. Now this is the place that you have access to a lot of tools that you need. For example, you need the cross and you need the arrow. So if you click on the cross now, it shows you both the price and the date. So when you are on this candle now, maybe you know that this candle is a bearish candle and it opened here, right? So you can see that the price is, look at here so that you can see the price. The price is 1.1109 and the date is Monday 10th April. Down here, look at down here so that you see the date. It's Monday 10th of April 2023. So you see all those things that we did, you are seeing it live in the office right now. So, but you can use your arrow just to navigate through things as well. So in this whole column, in this whole arrow side, all you need is this and that, cross and arrow. And the wonderful thing about TradingView is all the things that I'll be mentioning to you, they are here. And how to create this kind of column here is by clicking on star. So if I unclick the star, they will disappear. So if I can go to all the things that I am saying that they are important, I can unclick the star. You see that they are removing. Do you understand? So anyone that I tell you that is important, when you open your trading view, you click the star so that it will be ready for you to use immediately. So for example, we need the cross. You star it. You see the cross has come out. You need the arrow. You star it. The arrow has come out. Then if you go into here, we don't use anything here. So here, the brush, we don't need the brush. What we need here is a rectangle. You can make a note of this. And then we need a triangle. So we don't need any other thing here. Then over here, this place here, we need arrow. Arrows are very important sometimes, not always. We need a ray. We need our horizontal line. We need our horizontal ray. Is there any other thing important here? No. Another thing I picked here is the text. You know that what I used to write with. For example, if you click on the text T and you click on your board, you can type. So the importance of this is when you are when you are doing your technical analysis, you can analyze 10. I can sit down and analyze 10 currency pairs. I will not remember every decision I took. So whenever I take decisions, let me show you what my charting looks like. Let me go to Euro USD. So let me just show you something. So you see that I've written on them. I've mapped out. Let me remove this. I've mapped out positions. I'll be teaching you all these things. I've mapped out positions. I've done a lot of things. I'll be teaching you all this, what this means and what I'm looking at. So I've done a lot here. So whenever I just open the chart, I know everything I've decided before, and I'll be able to make my decision based on what the market is doing. So let me go back. So that's it. When you have these tools, and then another one is this one here. You get it from this place. Right, where is it? Okay, yeah, you get it from this place. Yeah, it's called price range. So this price range helps you to calculate your pips. For example, if you click on price range, and as this market has moved from here to here, and you want to calculate the pips, you click on price range, you click on here, and you move to this place. So when you've moved, what is showing you now is 170 pips. Simple. The percentage is 1.55%. This is CAD AUD, so it's easy to calculate the pips. Unlike Bitcoin, the pips are are so much. But you see that you've calculated your pips. You don't need to do the math. From this move to this move is 170 pips. You know it already, so you don't need to worry about doing math. So if it's from here to here you want to check, this is 46 pips. So if you're checking your stop loss, if you go down like this, for example, you want to take a buy, you see minus 35 pips. So it's very easy to use. I love trading view so much. So that is that about that. Then your this raise is for lines. You use it to draw lines depending on how you want your line to be. Don't worry, when we start technical analysis, I will show you the use. I just want you to familiarize yourself with these things. This is your line. This horizontal line is a longer line so that you can see what is happening all around you. Then this one is used for drawing your triangles. I'll still tell you the need for these triangles. Then this square, you use it to map out regions. You see, all of these things so that you don't forget. So these are the tools you need for your trading. Then another very important tool is this magnet. The magnet is very important because in chess log trades, I told you, and I'll always repeat myself, that we map out exact levels. So what the magnet helps you to do is to pin your raise on that particular candle you are looking for. You see where all those things I taught you about market flow will play out when we start doing technical analysis. For example, let me make this thing a straight line. So as we go along, because when I'm doing my technical analysis, I'll be explaining everything I do, but I'm just familiarizing you with the trading view platform. So when you click on magnets and you bring your ray to this point, you see it's magneting. It magnets immediately, and it makes the line exact on that candle, you see. But without the magnet, it will be moving. You'll be the one to be looking for it. You see, I'm trying to put it, it's not magneting. But once I activate my magnet and I move it to the top, it already knows where I want it to be. If I want it on the body, the same thing with the magnet. You see, it magnets on the body because there is always a point where you need in the candles. It's either you are holding on to the open price or the close price. You see, it moves to the close price immediately, or the edge of the wick. So the magnet helps you to pin it immediately, but without the magnet, it's difficult. You'll be trying to put it yourself. If you see, now that I put it by myself, it's not. If you enlarge it, you see that it's not exact, and we are always exact. But when you on the magnet, you see that it will just be on top of it, and it's very exact. So your magnet is very key to your technical analysis. Many traders don't know this. Many traders don't use it, but what you learn from here, you would know that what we have is really different. Okay, so you see, if I want to pick up, you see how the magnet is just taking it to the right points I want it to go. So the magnet is very important. So you can on or off it. It depends. So when we enter in-depth technical analysis, all of these things you would understand it. So another way you can measure your pips is using a ruler. I don't use the ruler, but the ruler serves the purpose as this other thing here. So the ruler it will help you to measure your pips. You see, this is 240 pips. If you take that same tool that I told you the first time and do the same regional movements, it's still 200 and something. I wish one thing with the ruler is immediately you click, it removes. If you click another place, it removes. So I don't like it. I prefer using this other one to measure my pips. I'll just anyway it is. And then don't use the magnet for this because it's not good to use the magnet for this. So if you can always measure your pips with this. So is there another thing? So I've told you about your alarm. For example, when you click your alarm, depending on the price you're looking at, for example, let's say you want to take a trade but you want the market to reach in a certain place. Let's say that certain place is here, and the price you are seeing the price is 1.1429. So you set an alarm and say when price is crossing 1.1429. So when you create, you see that immediately the alarm will just appear. This is an alarm. If the price comes to this alarm, you hear the alarm on your phone, and you receive an email as well, because you signed up to TradingView, so that if you are doing something, you can come into the market and do what you want to do. So we use alarm very much. Just that in the free version, you have only one alarm, but when you have a paid version, you can put multiple alarms in different. So it's limiting, but you don't need it so much. Trust me, you don't need it so much. There will be a time you need it so much, because when you start trading, when you start demo trading, I'll be guiding you on how to trade without the alarm. But when you become comfortable and you are analyzing a lot of markets, because when you start demo trading, you have to like start with one pair, so that you be focused on the strategy, not really on the not on a lot of markets. Just one pair. We choose one pair. It doesn't matter the pair, any pair you like. I can recommend the pair. Then you focus on it to learn the strategy that you'll be trading with before you move to other pairs. So that's that about that in alarm. So if you want to, this is just like operating your phone. If you double click, you delete. Just like if you haven't used it before, like when I haven't used it before, it's very overwhelming. So, and if you know how to use your Microsoft Word, some of the things are the same. Like for example, you can copy, Control T, and paste, Control V. You see another one comes out. So if you are computer literate, you can try out some of these things. You can hold your control key and drag and create another one. So, but if you don't want to do all that, you have your bar. Anytime you need it, you click on it. Just that the thing about TradingView is when you click this one now, you can create multiple. You can just keep clicking and many will be coming out. But if you want to stop it from coming out, you have to right click. If you are using a phone, you have to unhighlight it. I know by the time you start using TradingView, you figure all this out. I have very smart people listening to me. So that is it. And then Control Z, you can undo. With Control Z, you undo everything. So it's just like your normal average laptop move. So this is all you need to trade. These tools here, you can watch the video again and you pick them out by yourself. These are the tools you need. You've known your time frames where they are, your candlestick, you just need this one, then your indicators where they are hiding, then you know how to bring out all those stuff. You can just simply go through the video and bring these things out, and once you bring it out once, you don't need to go back there again. But I know human beings, we love exploring. By the time you get used to your trading view, you would like to explore more things. There are more things here, but they are not important, to be honest. Just stay focused on what I'm teaching for now. Don't try to explore too much, so that when I'm done, you are concrete in what you want to learn. Then by all means, you can explore a lot of things. So I hope that you understand just a little bit of the navigations in TradingView. There are a lot of navigations in TradingView, but I tell you, these are enough for you to analyze the market very well. So thank you for your time. I know my videos are getting longer and longer, but just be patient. That is the roadmap to what we'll become as traders. So I wish you well and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Get your links from the description below and download your trading view and start practicing these things, because this is what you'll be doing for a long time if you really are serious about trading. The descriptions to every video that we've done before is still in the description below. I wish you well. Enjoy your trading journey. The next lecture is going to be something you would enjoy. We are entering deeper into technical analysis, because as you've seen the tools, now we are going to start using the tools to teach about technical analysis. I hope you guys are excited, because I am excited myself. I love trading, and don't forget, trading is science.